Remember, today is Shivratri, and unlike yesterday, there have been huge traffic snarls in the city because today is also the last day. And while the prices of essentials and also boat rides to the Sangam have really gone up, there is a sentiment of satisfaction amongst people that they have had their snan. Let me go across to some of the voices here. So you're from Delhi. How was your experience like? And tell us, did you feel nice after your visit?
No, it was good. I mean, it was good. Management is, I mean, everything is perfectly. I mean, we did not face any issues while taking a bath and everything. So it's pretty good. I mean, the government did a very good job. Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you do, and what made you interested in coming to the Mahakumbh?
I live in Noida. Basically, I'm working in the IT sector. So I mean, it's our religious things. I mean, it's Mahakumbh, so we have to visit. So it's, I mean, just the religious purpose. I mean, just for religious things we have to visit. Yeah.
How do you, I mean, have you always been a religious person? Do you go to these kumbhs? Or is it a little bit of curiosity about the faith? How do you explain this?
It's kind of a curiosity. I mean, where you know everyone wanted to come over here. So my first visit. I mean, it's a first Mahakumbh visit. But yeah, it's really very good. I mean, the management and everything is very good. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. मैडम, ये बताइए कि आप लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा और व्यवस्था कैसी थी?
बहुत अच्छी व्यवस्था थी। बहुत अच्छा था। महाकुंभ का इंतजाम जिसने किया बहुत ही अच्छा किया।
आप कहाँ से आई हैं?
हम दिल्ली से आए हैं, न्यू दिल्ली से। ये मेरी बेटी है।
अच्छा, और आप बताइए।
मैं भी दिल्ली से आई। अच्छी है व्यवस्था, अच्छी है, अच्छा कर रखा मोदी ने।
अच्छा, ये बताइए कि आप स्टूडेंट हैं, आपको क्यों इंटरेस्ट हुआ कुंभ में आने का? परिवार के साथ आए हैं और आपको कैसा लगा?
एक्चुअली था तो ऐसा फुल फैमिली का ही आने का, बट फिर हम लोग का भी ऐसा मन हो गया, इतने लोग आ रहे हैं महाकुंभ में तो कुछ ना कुछ तो बात होगी, इसलिए कुछ स्पेशल तो होगा ही, तो आना तो था ही एक बार, तो इसलिए आए हम।
कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
हम आए हैं सूरत से।
सूरत से, गुजरात से। कितने लोग आए हैं आप?
हम लोग 3 जन हैं, मेरी मम्मी, सिस्टर और मैं आए हैं। तीनों
आप तीनों आए हैं?
हाँ।
अच्छा, ये बताइए मैम, आपने बच्चों को बनाया या बच्चों ने आपको बोला कि आना है यहाँ पे?
मम्मी का ही था इतना कि जाना है ऐसा, क्योंकि मम्मी को मतलब लाइक ऐसा है कि ये गॉड वगैरह में बहुत ज़्यादा मानते, तो फिर इस वजह से था थोड़ा कि नहीं 145 इयर्स के बाद में आया तो फिर ऑब्वियसली जाना है इसलिए।
जब वीडियोस तुमने रील्स देखे होंगे इंस्टा में कि बहुत सारा क्राउड है, पानी शायद इतना ठीक नहीं है, तो तुमको क्या लगा? तुम्हें थोड़ा सा लगा कि एक बार सोचना चाहिए, या तुम्हें लगा कि नहीं आना है?
लगा कि मतलब लाइक इतना क्राउड है तो कैसे ही होगा, बट ठीक है अभी आ गए तो फिर अच्छा ही लग रहा है, स्नान भी हो गया तो फिर अच्छा।
अच्छा, ठीक है। हाँ, आप कहाँ से आइए फर्स्ट वो बताइए, और क्या?
उत्तर प्रदेश।
पासी में।
हाँ, पास में उत्तर प्रदेश से, योगी जी के जिले से।
अच्छा, आपकी उम्र कितनी है?
70।
अच्छा, तो पहली बार कुंभ में आई हैं?
नहीं, ये आते तो हमेशा हैं, पर ये महाकुंभ जो विशेष है इसमें तो हम 3-4 बार आ चुके जी, और बार बार आने का लगता है ये चलता ही रहे, ख़त्म ही ना हो।
क्यों, इतना अच्छा क्यों लगा आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। अब क्या क्या बताएं, कुछ चीज़ें तो बताई नहीं जा सकती, महसूस की जा सकती केवल।
अच्छा, आपने कितनी बार स्नान दिया होगा यहाँ पे?
3 बार। अभी 3 बार पूरे घर को बार लेके आए। मेरा बेटा है,
टाइम आए इस महाकुंभ में जी।
मेरा बेटा है,
हाँ।
इनके साथ आज आखिरी था तो
बहुत
फिर
अच्छा
आए,
लगा,
इसके
बहुत अच्छी
पहले।
सुविधाएं हैं।
ऐसी सुविधा
हाँ।
कोई मुख्यमंत्री नहीं दे सकता और प्रधानमंत्री।
अच्छा, ये बताइए कि माँ आपको लेकर आई हैं, आप माँ को लेकर आए?
लेके आए
ये
हूँ।
माँ का।
जी,
अच्छा, तो आपने इच्छा प्रकट की थी?
हाँ,
इससे
मेरी
2 बार
इच्छा
आज
थी।
पहले भी आ चुकी थी, आज इनको फिर कहा कि मेरी इच्छा है आखिरी बार स्नान करने का, मैं बिल्कुल ले चलूंगा, आपको लेके
इसके
ले
पहले
आया।
बच्चों को लाए थे, बेटी को, सबको। आपसे मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा।
One of those little pilgrims here. आपको अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आकर?
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
यही बोलती थी माँ चलो और मेरा तो आने का मन नहीं था, पर इसके कहने से मैं आई हूँ यहाँ। हाँ।
Very interesting. A lot of people here saying that they were in fact persuaded by their children to come to Mahakumbh 2025. Many of them say that they didn't want to pressurize their children to bring them, although they wanted to come here. A lot of youngsters are taking the lead here, which shows that there is a certain curiosity amongst youngsters in India today to understand more about faith and religion. आप कहाँ से हैं?
ગુજરાત થી આવ્યો છું નાહવા માટે કુંભ મેળામાં સ્નાન કરવા માટે।
गुजरात से तो बहुत सारे लोग आए हैं ना?
હું તો ટ્રેનમાં આવ્યો 4 દિવસે ભૂલો પડી ગયેલો તો આમ બધી જગ્યાએ ગયો ને પછી એક જણે જગ્યા બતાવી ત્યારે એ ગાડી આવ્યો અને ઘણી સારી વ્યવસ્થા
खो गए थे. He's saying that he spent about 4 days in train and did you get
ભૂલથી બીજી ટ્રેનની અંદર બેસી ગયેલો.
okay, he took the wrong train by mistake. फिर आए कैसे?
પછી પોલીસવાળાએ બતાવ્યું કે તમારે આ ટ્રેનમાં બેસવાનું એટલે પછી મેં ટ્રેનમાં બેસીને અહીંયા ગાડી આવ્યો અને એસી ભક્તિવેદાંત સ્વામી પ્રભુપાદના ભોજનાલયની અંદર 2-3 ટાઈમથી દાળ ભાત સબ્જી રોટી ઇસ્કોન ઇન્ટરનેશનલ સોસાયટી ફોર કૃષ્ણ કોન્શિયસમાંથી 2-4 દિવસ ભોજન લીધું, ગંગા સ્નાન કર્યું અને હવે હું ગામડે જવાનું લુણાવાડા ટ્રેનમાં બેસી અને રામજી મંદિરને બધા દર્શન કર્યા અમે. પેલા રામજી મંદિર આ બન્યું છે ને અયોધ્યાની અંદર ત્યાં દર્શન કર્યા પછી ગોકુળ મથુરાની અંદર હરિદ્વારમાં જાય અને બધા આશ્રમોની અંદર બધા મેં દર્શન કર્યા. મને મજા આવી. જિંદગીમાં પહેલી વખત નીકળ્યો છું પણ બીજા બધા મારી સાથે હતા પણ અમે છૂટા પડી ગયા છીએ.
So this man is saying that he had his companions with him, but all of them have gotten separated. They went to Ayodhya, they went to Vrindavan, and they are here. This is the first time he has relished this journey on his own. He in fact got onto the wrong train and he was in fact told by police people, he was guided by police personnel and finally he is here now.
વ્યવસ્થા યોગીજીની બહુ જોરદાર વ્યવસ્થા છે. પંડાલ સાફ સફાઈ બહુ જ આવો ભવ્ય મેળો તમે કોઈ દિવસે જોયો નથી. 63 વર્ષનો
તમે ગુજરાતી છો, મોદી કે યોગી?
ના યોગી પછી એસી ભક્તિવેદાંત સ્વામી શિલપ્રભાત કૃષ્ણ પ્રચારક. હરે કૃષ્ણ 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 હરે 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 રામ રામ રામ. ફ્રી પ્રસાદ, એક પણ બી પૈસો પ્રસાદ નહીં. જેટલો પ્રસાદ ખાવો એટલો એકદમ શુદ્ધ પ્રસાદ પ્રભુપાદજી મિશનમાં મળી રહ્યો છે.
So he's saying that there is no shortage of food in the Kumbh, and which is why he feels quite at home in this place. Of course, he is planning to go home after being separated from his companions. Also, it's very interesting that while today is Shivaratri, the traffic snarls are still on. That's also because a large number of people are also leaving the town, the city of Prayagraj, the Mela area, to go back to railway stations. In fact, there are going to be 300 special trains that will be run today to and fro from Prayagraj. The government, both the centre and the UP state government, wants to ensure that Prayagraj clears out. Today is the end, the culmination of the confluence of faith and devotion, Mahakumbh 2025. And while it comes to an end, there are several points for the UP police to introspect upon, but also a time for a sigh of relief and also celebration. Also, let us listen into some voices that I got for NDTV in the morning in my walks through the Sangam at Prayagraj Mahakumbh. Mahakumbh 2025 has also drawn tourists and pilgrims and curious travellers from across the world. With me is a group of travellers from Italy. Ma'am, how many people are part of that group? And tell us, how was your experience like?
Our experience was incredible because this is not our first time in India, but this place, and we went also to Varanasi, was really impressive. And we were here at dawn and during the sunset, and it was people also are really, really nice. We met many people from other parts, from Bombay, for instance, and also girls and everything. So really a great experience, spiritual too. And we also went to some temples and had the chance to meditate, for instance.
Okay. You're also wearing these beads. Tell us, what did you buy from India? How was your experience like?
No, this time I didn't buy a lot. I have to start buying because we are continuing our journey. We are going to Kashuhau, to Mathura, to Agra, Taj Mahal, and finally to Jaipur. So we are ready to buy some local products.
Ma'am, your previous visits to India and this visit to India, what were the arrangements like? Do you suggest any improvements? And what is the best thing that you liked?
You mean with respect to the previous time? Well, the previous time I was here in 2016 for the celebration of Guru Giri Shankar, Sri Shankar. Yeah, so that was a kind of very large group. There were millions of people celebrating the foundation for the 25 years. This time many of us come to India very often, and so we were a little bit managed to do everything on our own.
City. We're here with a group of our community, so a lot of people from Mexico City, Colombia, Chile, and Italy. It's a lot of things. It's beautiful to witness so much devotion and unity and expression of different faiths and beliefs, and just an overwhelming feeling of oneness in a way. Lots of noise and people.
I think it has been better than expected. I think that even though it's a large crowd, excessively large crowd, the feelings, the energy, the sensations of the people has been great, and it feels a lot of peace. It doesn't feel any problems or in security-wise or stuff like that.
Wow, it's overwhelming, but in the best way possible. Honestly, the people have been so welcoming that I felt immediately at ease. I didn't expect with this many people to be as comfortable as I am. So it's really been beautiful.
Well, Air Force today also had a special drone show on Mahakumbh 2025, celebrating the essence of it. And this was a special air show that was dedicated to pilgrims. In fact, the pilgrims also enjoyed shower of rose petals that was organized by the UP government. But this beautiful drone show organized by the Indian Air Force to commemorate the spirit of the pilgrims. Remember that pilgrims from different parts of the country have come, and while VIPs often have it easy, it's this ordinary people who have to go through everyday struggles to reach Sangam and take that dip that they've been waiting for. So clearly this was honoring their efforts in Mahakumbh 2025. Also coming to you with more voices, here's a family from Surat, and मैंने गुजरात से काफ़ी लोगों को देखा है यहाँ पे, तो ये बताइए व्यवस्था कैसी थी, आपको अच्छा लगा और क्या बेटर हो सकता है?
व्यवस्था बहुत ही अच्छी थी, कहीं भी किसी तरह का कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ, कोई भी भीड़ भाड़ ऐसा कुछ मेरे को तो लगा नहीं है। स्नान वगैरह भी बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से हुई है, कहीं भी ऐसा कोई धक्का धुक्की ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था। यहाँ खाने पीने की व्यवस्था सब चीज़ थी, रहने करने का भी सारा अच्छा था। यहाँ तो किसी तरह का हमको तो बहुत आनंद लिया यहाँ पे।
मैडम, आप सूरत से आई हैं, तो ये बताइए कि आपने परिवार को मनाया या आप लोगों ने सब साथ में मिलके ये प्लान बनाया?
मोमेंट पे हमारा डिसाइड हुआ, पहले से कुछ भी डिसाइडेड नहीं था, एकदम लास्ट मोमेंट पे डिसाइड हुआ, और आज मतलब महाशिवरात्रि वाले दिन हम स्नान कर पाए। ये मतलब बहुत ही डिवाइन एक्सपीरियंस रहा है और बहुत एक अलग मतलब अपने आप में बहुत एक स्पिरिचुअल फीलिंग जो हम महसूस ही नहीं कर पाते कभी भी, वो महसूस किया है आज।
आपको कैसा?
मैं प्रयागराज से।
तो बताइए कि अब थोड़ा सा ये बताइए कि प्रयागराज के लोकल्स में इस महाकुंभ के प्रति क्या है, क्योंकि दिक्कतें भी आप लोगों को बहुत सहनी पड़ी है।
अब हम लोग के साथ हम लोग एक तरीके से हाउस अरेस्ट हो गए थे, बट जो एक्सपीरियंस हम लोग ने इस पूरे 2 महीने में हमने देखा है, दैट वाज अनबिलीवेबल। और ये जो खत्म हो रहा है, ये हम लोग के लिए एक तरीके से विदाई वाला है। तो
कैन यू डिस्क्राइब हाउ डिफरेंट प्रयागराज फील्स नाउ? आपने पहले वाले कुंभ भी शायद देखे होंगे या मम्मी पापा ने बताया होगा, इस बार इतना डिफरेंट क्यों था?
नहीं, मैं 2001 से मैं स्नान कर रहा हूँ, और 2001 then 2013 then now 2025, there's a vast change in that। और जो एक्सपीरियंस 2013 में था उससे बहुत ज़्यादा वो चीज़ें काफ़ी डिफरेंट हो गई हैं, स्पेशली द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड एवरीथिंग दैट हैज़ बीन चेंज्ड थॉरली। तो काफ़ी चेंजेस हमें पूरे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाइज भी देखने को मिला, और ये जो कुंभ ऑर्गेनाइज किया है इन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से किया है। तो
प्रयागराज को योगी जी ने कल पंच तीर्थ बोला है कि काशी और गोरखपुर और अयोध्या के साथ ये जो है प्रयागराज भी बहुत बड़ा बनेगा। आपको लगता है कि प्रयागराज को महाकुंभ के कारण भी थोड़ा सा बहुत सारा लाभ हुआ है?
जी, स्पेशली ये हम लोग के लिए एक धरोहर है, और ये धरोहर की वजह से जो योगी जी ने हम लोग के लिए किया है, ये प्रयागराज वालों के लिए एक बहुत बड़ी प्रिविलेज की बात है। और अगर वो ना होते तो मेरे ख्याल से ये चीज़ें नहीं हो पाती जो उन्होंने चेंजेस लाए हैं प्रयागराज के अंदर। इसके अलावा भी सरकारें रही हैं, बट उन्होंने हमारे प्रति इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया। तो हम लोग ने ये चीज़ें देखा और महसूस किया है, और चीज़ें टाइम टू टाइम ये चेंजेस हो रहे हैं। और रोड से लेकर के हर चीज़, एयरपोर्ट इन्होंने 2 महीने के अंदर पूरा चेंज कर दिया. तो दैट हैज़ बीन अ वेरी.
And what about the bridges that have been built? You think the rail bridge, गंगा के ऊपर जो bridges बनाए हैं, आपको लगता है इसका जो एक लॉन्ग टर्म बेनिफिट हो सकता है?
जी जी. और क्योंकि इससे कनेक्टिविटी हम लोग के पूरे प्रयागराज क्षेत्र की काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है और हम लोग कहीं भी अब पहले हम लोग को फटकी क्रॉस करना पड़ता था और अब वहाँ पे हम ऊपर से निकल जाते हैं, तो हमारे लिए एक बहुत आसान हो गया है.
So very nicely said. Residents of Prayagraj, also from Surat, who have different experiences to share. Let me also get you a few voices. आप कुछ कहना चाहते थे?
जी.
कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं एटावा से आए हैं हम.
और ये पानी घर के लिए ले जा रहे हैं?
जी जी. मैं एटावा से आया हूँ. एटावा चंबल क्षेत्र माना जाता है. वहाँ पर बम्बोले का एक त्योहार होता है, बहुत बड़े उत्सव से होता है. वहाँ पे 400 500 किलोमीटर पैदल चलकर, नंगे पैर पैदल चलकर अपने इष्ट देव भोले बाबा को यहाँ पर वो चढ़ाते हैं जल, गंगा जल लाकर. तो बहुत अद्भुत त्योहार है. और आज पहली बार मैं इलाहाबाद आया हूँ और ऐसा चमत्कार देखा है कि ऐसा दृश्य देखा है जो मतलब काफ़ी समय तक मैं भूल नहीं पाऊँगा. और मैं पूरे भारत को, मैं यूपी का हूँ, इसलिए सभी भारत वालों को विनम्र निवेदन करता हूँ कि आप आए, आपका बहुत बहुत आभार. और हमारी योगी सरकार ने इतना बढ़िया सुविधाएं दी हैं. पूरे भारत को मैं तहे दिल से योगी जी की तरफ से, पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश की तरफ से आभार प्रकट करता हूँ कि आप लोग आए, आपका स्वागत.
Right. So everybody here is also trying to connect local traditions that they've seen, witnessed in their lifetime. Like this person was talking about local traditions in his village, while some people from West Bengal were also talking about Ganga Sagar Mela. So clearly there's a lot of celebration of local traditions as well in Mahakumbh 2025. Let's listen in to what Nitish Barate, one of the athletes who was there in Mahakumbh 2025 today morning, what are his views on religion and how religion inspires him, not just in his sporting activity, but also in his life. Mahakumbh 2025 is coming to an end, and with me is Nitish Barate, somebody who is from Pune, who is an athlete and someone who's taken part in national and international bodybuilding competitions. Okay, Nitish, what made you come to Kumbh, and are you a religious person or was this a one-time visit?
No, I'm a very religious person, or I guess I'm very grateful to come over here and see this devotional things over here, and I'm very grateful, I'm very blessed. Very good opportunity for the people who believe in Hinduism.
So what about Hinduism inspires you? Because you're an athlete, you've also taken part in a lot of bodybuilding competitions. What about Hinduism inspires you? Where do you think religion gives you that healing spirit?
See, actually, basically, if we see our previous ancestors, devotees, and Lord Ram, actually they inspire us a lot how to be a good human being and how to respect people. Yes, I guess.
So Shivratri today, the culmination of the confluence of faith and traditions. Mahakumbh ends today, and we got you a lot of voices. People who are also nostalgic. In fact, there was a Prayagraj resident who was saying that this seems like a bidai, which is the time the bride leaves her maternal home. So clearly, a lot of emotions at play here. But remember, this is also a logistics marvel that played out. While not everything was perfect, there were many inadequacies. But this is also a celebration of the fact that UP government has organized a mega celebration of 45 days, which saw over 64 crore pilgrims. We'll keep getting voices and visuals for you from Ground Zero Prayagraj. But now it's time for a short break. More news and updates on the other side.